Yes everyone, thanks for watching. Decided to splash out and get the DJI Neo today. Really impressed with it, so we've just been out messing about, trying to get to grips with the controls, seeing what it can do. Really hopeful to get some really good videos for work with it. It's a really impressive piece of kit. So yeah, just sit back, enjoy the video and check out some of the shots that me and my mate Sid did down the park while we're trying to get to grips with it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, pop to the show. Hope to get this in use, hopefully tomorrow. Cheers guys.